Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party from your phone. So usually we can disconnect it by go to the settings, to the Bluetooth, and right here click the information icon or settings icon near to the speaker and click disconnect on Android and iOS. But also we can use the control at the speaker. So at the back side we have Bluetooth button here, and to disconnect your speaker you need to press and hold this button for at least 3 seconds. You will hear the prompt, meaning that we disconnected. So let's do this. Here we go, and I just hear the prompt, and also as you can see I have no connection now with my speaker. So we did it. And to reconnect it, you can either, if your speaker turn on, you can just tap at the speaker. And we did it also. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.